Welcome to the era of elite with the all-new iQOO 15, featuring an 8.14mm profile. At the heart of the machine is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the defining force behind the iQOO 15's performance. The iQOO 15 is engineered for real-time ray tracing, featuring supercomputing chip Q3, 16GB RAM pipeline, and 512GB storage. Experience a canvas built for speed with the 2K Samsung M14 LED OLED display, measuring 17.39 centimeters or 6.85 inches AMOLED. The device features silicon anode technology with a 7,000 mAh battery, providing ultra-high-density energy storage in an 8.14mm chassis. Experience the velocity of charge with 100W flash charge and 40W wireless charging. The iQOO 15 features the Tri-Main system for computational photography, powered by Sony sensors, precision optics, and artificial intelligence. Capture stunning photos with the 50-megapixels Sony IMX921 sensor, featuring a 1/1.56-inch Sony True Color sensor, f/1.88 aperture, and humanistic street photography mode. From horizon to detail, the camera system includes a 50-megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 3x periscope with 50-megapixels Sony IMX882. The iQOO 15 runs on OriginOS 6, based on Android 16, where fluidity meets intelligence, built to harness the elite. Choose between two premium designs: the Legend, featuring white glass at 8.17mm, or the Alpha, with black fiberglass at 8.14mm. An uncompromised build includes an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, Wi-Fi 7 ready, Bluetooth 6.0, and NAVIC and GNSS location tech. Here is the iQOO 15 specification matrix: Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Tri-Main 50-megapixel Sony system, 7,000 mAh silicon anode, and 2K M14 LED OLED with 100W flash charge. The premium standard price is 79,999 rupees for the 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage configuration, with an exchange offer saving up to 50,000 rupees. Own the elite. The iQOO 15 is available now at the eStore. Buy now and enjoy a 15-day price guarantee and 24x7 service support.